This is how you make a simple syrup. You need sugar, hot water. That's it. Oh, for the tools, you need bar spoon or any spoon, measuring cup, and any glass or vessel to mix it with. Okay, so first, after boiling the water, okay, 1 cup of hot water. Open your sugar. Okay, so guys, gumagawa tayo ng simple syrup. Okay. So the ratio is 1:1. Kaya tinawag na simple syrup. Now, if we'll be using 2 parts sugar and 1 part water, ang tawag doon ay rich syrup. Okay. Okay. Now, dissolve tayo. Stir till it dissolves. Now, it is recommended, pwede rin yung pakuluan ito para mas talagang ma-dissolve ng maayos yung mga sugar crystals. Now, when we say simple, talagang simple syrup lang. We use white sugar, not brown, not muscovado. But when you're making a syrup, you can always say 1:1 or 2:1. Pag 1:1, it's simple, and pag 2, that's a rich syrup. Now, it is important na mainit yung tubig kasi kinakailangan para mas mag-dissolve yung, like I said, yung sugar crystals. Yung ginagawa ng iba, biniblend nila, hindi siya talaga ganun ka advisable kasi hindi complete yung pag-dissolve ng sugar. Okay, let's keep on stirring. Yan, so if you notice, nagiging clear na yung ating syrup. Okay? Yan, sige. Okay. Yan. So, pag okay na, so we can get an empty bottle. No?